I just wanted to go ahead and do this quick video to show you how our homeschooling is going. My son right now, he's actually doing his spelling words, and I'm going to be grading right now. He's doing this math right here. He's in 5th grade. We actually just did some spelling right now. I wanted to see how advanced he was with his vocabulary, and we just went through it. This one he did under 9 minutes. He did 230 words. The ones that are circled in red are the ones that he needs to work on. But yeah. And then we also did 5th grade words to see how he was doing. He was able to get all these. He did 215 words under 5 minutes. And then he also did this one. He did 180 words under 5 minutes. It was almost 4 minutes, I think. So there was a couple that he missed on there. So we did that, and then yesterday I ended up doing this one with my daughter. So she's a 2nd grader, and she still needs to work on all of these right here. The highlighted ones are the ones she did know, but she knew all these other ones. I didn't time her on hers, but I was pretty surprised because last year she wasn't able to read it all, hardly. She was having a lot of trouble reading, and now she knows all these words. And it's all because of reading lots of books and just, encouraging them to read. Right now she's doing her spelling, and she's doing her definitions. So that's what she's doing right now. I'm teaching her how to use her dictionary.
Oh, and also, guys, my mom showed me the dictionary, and then I started to know the dictionary, what it is.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so we'll be back in a little bit. Wanted to show you guys a little bit of how we decorated for Christmas time. The kids ended up coloring Mr. Grinch. I ended up putting some gingerbread up here. This is something I got from Dollar Tree. This is how we have our board set up right now. This is our reward chart. This is an angel I think my daughter made. And we just have some stuff up here. We have all of our emoji magnets here that they get to put up here when they want. And then just have some stuff that they created at school. So this is a frog that my hubby got me. This is something that my son did at school with a partner. So that's what we have. It's our bookshelf, has all our books in there. Okay guys, so this is our schedule. This is how we get our work done. That's our calendar. We got some coloring books, a lot of extra composition books and stuff. This is our scripture stuff. This is something that they both did for scripture time. Okay guys, so then they like to play with these. I had them picking them up. They're magnetic. You can find these at the 99-cent store. That's where we found them. So that's what we have. I wanted to show you guys some of our decorations. We went ahead and put these up. We have the nativity right here, and then I took this one off of a wreath and I just put it up there. And then back here I have some snowflakes that I got at the garage sale for like 25 cents or so. These I ended up getting at Dollar Tree. This one I made. I'll go ahead and try to see if I can put that video up to show you guys how I created the little snowball here. This one I got at Dollar Tree. So, so I just put some glitter in there, some water. These little candles right here I got at Dollar Tree. The candles, these I got at Dollar Tree. This is one of the ornaments that I ended up making with my daughter. My daughter's ornament. This one I got at Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree. Another deer right there. And this is what our Christmas tree looks like. And we also have the train that my mom gave us. This is a collector's item. So we have that train set up. I need to get another skirt for the tree. So this is what it looks like. I really like it. I think it needs a little bit more to it, but I ended up curling these with my finger. These are just pipe cleaners that I had sticking out. I need to buy some more so that it looks a little bit fuller and just a little bit different. And this is the wreath that I ended up creating. I bought this wreath. It had like little princesses on there. We ended up taking them off, and I just ended up gluing all of these with hot glue. It turned out really nice, and there's lights on there because my neighbors ended up purchasing us some lights at the dollar store, and so it looks really cute lit up at night. I know you really can't see them right now, but they're super cute. I really do like how it turned out. Okay guys, so this is the other, what do you call it? The other wreath that I purchased for $2.50. And I took it apart and I ended up putting some other stuff. I found this one at another garage sale. I added some of these ornaments that I had on the tree. The bows were already on there. These were already on there. This is just a candle that I have for now. I wanted to buy a candle that's automatic and can light up at night, but for now I just went ahead and put a snowman in there, and it smells really, really pretty. So yeah, that's what we have. For $2.50 wasn't bad, and just add a couple of ornaments to it and looks really, really pretty. Hey guys, okay, for art today we're coloring with markers. My son wanted to do SpongeBob, so we're doing some Christmas pens. So hopefully it works out. This is what it looks like. It's because we've been using these, and we kind of wanted to make our own. We wanted to design our own. So I have a few pens that they can use. They're going to be like this, and they're going to attach the characters to them. So I'm doing Patrick Star, and my son is doing SpongeBob. Ren, can you show them the one you did?
Almost done. I finished.
So this is what his looks like. He's doing a background on his, and we're going to add some glitter. Can I see yours, Princess?
I finished. Hold on. There you go.
And that's what hers looks like. So we're going to add some glitter and a little bit to it, and then we'll show you the finished product in a little bit. Just put in some hot glue on the hat, and now my son's my son is actually putting some glitter on there. We could use regular glue, but it's probably better to do it like this. It'll last a long time. So that's what we're doing right now. And then my daughter's going to do hers in a little bit. It looks like so far we put a bunch of hot glue everywhere, so hopefully it'll set and it will last a long time. So yeah, and then we just need to attach it to the pen, and then we should be done. This is my daughter's, so we're going to go ahead and work on hers next. So she decided to put a little bit of both on hers, both pink and hot pink. So now she's just adding the silver to the hat now. Add a little bit more, Mama.
Or which one? This one?
The other side.
This one?
Yeah. Okay. And this is how my daughter's turned out. This is hers. And we're just going to go ahead and attach it to the pen. And my son's is getting dried right now. I went ahead and added a little bit more gold to it. So yeah, should be done soon. Now I just went ahead and put some hot glue, and I'm just going to go ahead and attach the pens at the back. So all you got to do is do this to it. It's not going to look very pretty from one side, but it doesn't matter as long as I get to play with it and use it and stuff. So Yeah. And then it should look something like this. Let me know what you guys think. It's a fun project to do with the kids, and it kind of gets them in the Christmas spirit. This is the one I ended up doing. I ended up making Patrick. So it looks super cute. It looks like he's inside a little snowball. So we just need to attach it to, I need to let it dry, and I'm just going to need to attach it to a pen. And I'll probably do a red pen since that's how I grade. So yeah, I like how it looks. How it ended up, this is just attached to a red pen. I super glued it in the back, and now we can have a lot of fun with our pens, right guys?
Yeah, Mama, it's not going to be
Yay!
SpongeBob, SpongeBob, does it